Hi there, students. Mantic. Mantic as an adjective. And I guess you've got the adverb mantically as well. Okay, mantic talks about having the power to predict the future, having the power of prophecy, or related to divination and prophecy. So somebody who reads your hand, who reads your palm, has mantic powers. Somebody who reads your palm, somebody who practices chiromancy, has mantic powers. They have the power of divination, of seeing what's going to happen in the future. And if you notice, there are various words that end with the suffix mancy. Chiromancy, mantic. It's the same root. Reading the lines on your hand. Necromancy, talking to the dead to reveal the future. Oneiromancy. Interpretation of dreams, predicting the future from dreams. Or rhabdomancy, using sticks or rods to find water underground. Okay, so there are various mancies. Geomancy, looking at the lie of the land. Hydromancy, pyromancy. Okay, so mantic powers, having the power to see the future, having the power to predict what's going to happen, to be able to prophesy the future. Have you ever seen the insect, a praying mantis? Is it an insect? I think so. This is also comes from this mantic word. So mantic, having the ability to predict the future, belonging to prophecy. So part of the mantic prediction made by the magician told me that I would meet a tall, dark lady. Okay, so we've also got the word Manticism, which is another word for the practice of telling the future. So I guess in medieval times, or in the 17th century, you could get burned at the stake for practicing Manticism. Okay, so divination and Manticism, this is to predict the future, to make prophecies. It's fortune telling, an insight into a question by using an occult process, an occult ritual. And there are over history there have been hundreds of different ways to get a mantic prophecy, to get a mantic view of the future. Okay, so I guess Manticism, this is a systematic way of finding out the future, finding what's going to happen, be it reading the lines on my hand or looking into a crystal ball. Okay, these are all ways of these are all mantic ways to divine the future. Okay, I think this word mantic as to formality is fairly formal. I think I'm going to give it a 7.5 in formality, using a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And then as to origin, it comes from ancient Greek. It comes from the word mantikos, which comes from mantis, somebody who sees the future, a soothsayer, somebody who tells you what's going to happen. From the verb minomai, I am mad, I am raving, I'm talking in crazy things. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. Make any Mantic comments about the future you might have below, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Mantic.